Hello, we have made some changes to the input form used to collect event information for the gray and white database. These changes will allow you to format your data for clarity. You do not need to learn how to use HTML, which is the hypertext markup language. This demonstration on how to use the markup functions installed on the media text box on the event input form for the gray and white event database will guide you. You will notice that the text box named Media or Press Release is now enclosed with a border and a toolbar with a row of icons. We will show you how to use the tools represented by those icons. We will show you how to format your text into paragraphs, how to emphasize certain text, how to use ordered and unordered lists, how to insert pictures, and how to link other sites. You will be able to cut and paste into the text box and then use the icons to reformat the data, or you will be able to compose your data directly. These functions are available to registered organization publicists only. We have placed some text into the text box. This is something that could have come from a paste in, or it could have come from just typing it in. What we're going to show you is how it will be rendered in the newsletter by using the green checkmark icon. We click on the green icon and then scroll down so that we can see the new temporary text box below it. And you will notice that even though we left spaces in between the paragraphs, they were not rendered in the output. And this is what it would look like in the newsletter. So we want to change that. We will do that by highlighting the paragraph text and then using and clicking on the pi symbol or the paragraph symbol to format it correctly. Notice how the text box below is being reformatted as we select the paragraphs and format them correctly. So this is how we format paragraphs. But now, what about lists? We have two different kinds, ordered and unordered. An ordered list, on the other hand, is a list of items that should be done or performed in a certain sequence, such as a recipe or steps in a procedure, and they have to be prefixed by numbers rather than icons. At this point, we highlighted the entire list, and then we clicked on the unordered list button or icon, and this put a left bracket UL, right bracket at the beginning of the list, and at the very end of the list it placed a left bracket slash UL, right bracket at the end of the list. This enclosed the list. Now we have to go back and specify each of the items in the list. At this point, we've highlighted each of the items individually. Use the list item, which put a bracket, a left bracket, LI, right bracket, in front of each item in the list, and a left bracket slash LI, right bracket, at the end of each list. And this created the unordered list. If you notice down in the temporary rendering box that each of the lines is preceded by a dot. And that's how it would look in the newsletter. At, at this point, we've created a ordered list, and you notice that each of the list items is preceded by a number. If we had to insert more steps into it, the numbering system would be automatically adjusted.